So I wanted to see what all the fuss was about these automatic cat litter boxes, so I decided to buy them both. I have the Catlink and the Petkit, and they're kind of similar. They do the same thing, but there are just a few slight differences here between the two. And I have to say I like the Catlink just a little bit better because it's just a little bit easier to use. Now it is the smaller of the two, but I think they're both equally heavy. But the Petkit has like a little dock to the side of the thing, and this one is just a space pod with the bag at the back. So it is a little bit harder to use to get the bag out of there, but all of the other things, I think the Catlink is just a little bit better for that. The deodorizer was easier to install. It's just the hydrogel in that little bag right there in the side, and the Petkit works the same way. It also has like a small thing you take out of the side and add the deodorizer to there, but the Petkit, that actually is like a spray, so I really think it only sprays when your cat leaves, but it's just like a spray right in their face, so I think that's a bit weird. I like the choice the Catlink made a little bit better with just a deodorizing gel, and this also tells you when it's empty and you need to refill that, and that's one thing that they both do. They tell you when to refill it. Now they're both quite easy to fill with cat litter. They both work with soy-based cat litter and clay-based cat litter. You do need to have lumpy cat litter for both, so that's not a difference, but cleaning it out is just a little bit easier with the Catlink, because when you want to clean out the whole thing with the Petkit, you need to remove the scooper from the machine. You need to physically remove the scooper and then add in the scooper to clean out the whole cat litter box to get out all of the cat litter if you want to refresh it. With the Catlink you just turn the knob and then this will automatically change to the full scooper and clean out all of the cat litter, and then you're ready to go. So that's a little bit easier with the Catlink, and I think a little bit more thought out on how to use, well, how everyday people will be using this. I do think the app of the Petkit was just a little bit easier to use. It was able to connect to my phone just a little bit easier. I had to go through the steps with the Catlink a few times before it would connect, so that's a little bit easier, and the stats you get with the Petkit are also just a little bit better, but seriously I'm not really using that. So if you really want all of the stats of the bowel movements of each of your cats, then maybe the Petkit is better, but for ease of use I would choose the Catlink.